and welcome back to my channel. It's been about 2 years. I know that's a long time, really long time. But I am back. I'm gonna be shooting videos or posting videos every Wednesday now. So, you know, stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not. And I will be consistent this time, I promise. Seriously. But I do thank you guys for coming to my channel and watching, and stay tuned if you want to see this look. Awesome. To start off with the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. I'm going to put that all over my face and make sure it gets a little tacky. Now I'm going to go in with my Becca primer, and I'm only going to put that in the areas where I really want to highlight. So so the eye cream, I really love this. I have dark circles, so this is really going to help with that. We're going to just put that all over underneath the eye. Now, as far as foundation, I am transitioning from my summer shade, so that's why I'm using two. So I'm going in with Becca Skin Love and Bamboo and Olive. And I'm just going to take my e.l.f. brush and blend that all out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs concealer. I actually got this in an influencer box, which I really like it. So I'm glad they were able to send that to me. I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender as well. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the NARS concealer. I'm going to use this for my contour. I want to say this is shade Amande, and I'm also going to use that same shade to do my nose contour. I really like bringing it up into my brow bone because it helps shape my brows, and I don't have to do too much when I fill them in because I kind of already have that shape. Now I am going in with my Derma Blend powder because my eyes have been creasing a lot more lately, and this powder does not crease my eyes at all. Okay, so now that I've set it with the Derma Blend, I'm going to go ahead with Becca's Hydra Mist all over my face. Okay, we're going to use the Anastasia palette to contour. I definitely want my face to look slim. It's going to give me those shadows that I want without looking too harsh. And now I'm going to bronze my face with MAC's Gimme Suns because I want a little warmth back to my face. So So now I'm going to go with my NARS palette. I'm not sure what this palette is called, but it's really pretty. And we're going to use this blush in the palette today and blend everything out. Okay. So I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape for my base. I'm actually not going to use any powder to set this. I don't know what's wrong. Okay. And now we're going to go in with my Jackie Aina palette. Okay, so now we're going to go in with ginger, and I'm just using that all in my crease area. Now we're going to go in with Zam, and then following Zam, I'm going to go in with Release, and that's just going to be my lid color, those two. So I'm going to have with this red and this gold color all over my lid. It's cute. I just randomly came up with this color, and Jackie liked it, and I got a lot of compliments, so we're going to put it out. So for it's kind of like a wing shadow kind of thing. So we're gonna go in with Credit, and I'm also gonna use Credit for my crease area as well. But I just kind of want to start off with a dark shadow first for my line, because I'm terrible at doing light lines because they're just so small. It's hard to work with. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to use my Sigma liner, and I'm just going to use that so when I put my lashes on, they look good, I guess. We're just going to go ahead and line that, and I'm going to go ahead and use mascara first before I put on my lashes, and then we're going to wait for the glue to dry. Okay, so we're going in with Velvet Lashes in Rome, because this is just so this is probably the first time I've ever put my lashes on in like 5 seconds. Literally, I kid you not. So now that I put my lashes on, I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay liner. I'm not going to go in with any bottom shadow at all. That's just not the look I was going for today. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Becca's highlighter in Moonstone. I did that with my inner tear duct, my brow bone, nose, cheeks, of course. Now that we got highlight popping, we're going to move on to lips. So I'm going to use MAC's liner in Cork, line my lips, do a little lip contour. Then I'm going to use Dose of Colors lipstick in Sand. Now we blend that out. I'm going to go on with Beauty Bakerie's lip gloss in Snickerdoodle. Bryson, don't have kids. Don't. Well, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'm trying to get better. This is my second video, but I will be posting more content for you guys, and I will keep you guys updated. Let me know if there's any new looks you want to see, but just keep watching. Turn your post notifications on. Subscribe. Tell your friend, your mom, your cousin, your sister. Tell everyone.